So of course it was time to get my hair done, and I got a full relaxer cut and style from my girl Rashawn at Cultivating Beauty, located in Altamont Springs, Florida. So a lot of people don't understand that even though I'm a hairstylist, I actually do get serviced like a client, and of course like a client, I had to come in mask on, and I had to keep my mask on during the shampoo process. What I discovered was it was better to take the mask off my ears and hold it over my face. But even at this point, guys, I am just as human as you guys, and I was very aggravated because I did not want to wear the mask. So once I got under the dryer and I was in the room all by myself, I definitely took the mask off. But then when it came back time for me to be around my stylist, as you guys can clearly see, we both had masks on and we had to conversate through our masks. So for the haircut phase, the only time I took my mask down was whenever she needed to get around my ears, where I would just hold it in front of my face. But all in all, I did get the haircut that I wanted. I was so happy that I finally got my hair done. And Rashawn uses Marcel's, which, to each his own. Rashawn is a gifted stylist. I don't trust everybody to do my hair, but she is a beast when it comes onto Marcel's and curling the hair. So if you guys can tell, my haircut is fly, and my haircut is just fly. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. But I can tell you that wearing the mask and getting my hair done was somewhat of a challenge for me. I felt like I could not be as personable as I normally would. Trying to talk through the mask was also another issue for me, but we got through it. My hair came out absolutely amazing. And then at the end, of course, I had her spray me down because I knew my hair would not hold if it wasn't sprayed down. But I made it through my first hair appointment during the COVID-19 pandemic and our somewhat social distancing. Now, as you can see, as a hairstylist, you can't really social distance and curl hair. You can't really social distance and spray your hair. But we did our absolute best to remain as safe as possible, and my stylist kept her mask on the entire time while she was servicing me. So when you guys are going into your salons to get your styles, guys, definitely make sure safety first. Of course, we want to get a bomb style, but safety first. Safety for you, safety for the stylist, just safety for everybody around you in its entirety. And I just loved my hair. I don't know, you guys, I had to take my mask off again so I could get under the dryer because I could not wear the mask under the dryer. But when I got around people, I put it back on. So comment down below, tell me what you think about my style, and tell my stylist I said, hey, say hey Rashawn. You guys, don't forget to check her out. Her name on Instagram is Cultivating Beauty Bar. Yep. See you guys later.